This is one of the most heard misconceptions that I really want to bust today, and that is regarding if it is good or not to have two or more doors aligned in a single straight line or an axis. The reason why I really want to take it up is because I remember when I was around 15, 16 years, when I did not have much knowledge about not design nor did I have about Vastu. I remember one of my relatives' house where they kind of broke down an entire area just because the main door and another room door were aligning with each other, and they were told that it is not Vastu relevant. Because of that, they had to make almost a relevant change of about 38 lakh rupees that time, just to make that particular change and break down and restructure and redesign the entire space. Keeping this in mind, when I actually started learning about Vastu and when I actually understood the reasoning behind it, I came to a knowledge and understanding that my relatives were duped. The reason why I'm saying this is, as per Vastu, there has never been any such assumptions, or there has been no such proclamations where people have said that having two or more doors in a straight line or axis can cause hazards. Actually, if you see and study any of our ancient temples or old cities and stuff in Delhi or any place, especially in the Indian context, you will be able to see that all the doors are aligned in the straight line. It does not matter whether it's the door that is leading you from the outside to the inside, that is your external doors, or if it's just the internal doors in your house, but they really do not matter. Well, like I said, when you look into ancient temples, you will be seeing from the entrance of the main gate of your temple till you enter the colonnaded structure or your mantapa, till the Garbhagriha, all the doors are aligned in the straight axis, and this actually represents connectivity or Kalyanam. If you guys have heard the word Kalyanam in a South Indian context, it means marriage, but the actual meaning behind it is connectivity. So having access or connectivity from this is actually something that you can get by having two or more doors placed in a straight line. So please, if somebody ever comes and tells you or suggests you to make any changes just because doors are aligned in the same space or axis or a linear line, please do not follow it. It's completely alright and completely safe to have it. But one thing that you have to remember while designing, especially in terms of entrances, that is doors, is make sure the entrance door of your space or your house or your office, whatever it is Vastu compliant, because there are 32 entrances that we know as per Vastu, and not all of them are good and auspicious. So make sure that the entrance door, that is from the door that leads you from the outside of your space to the inside of your space, that door is in one of the zones which is favorable as per Vastu.